today because we are having our last job fair of the year. I do want to stress though, even though it's our last job fair of the year, it does not mean that we will not continue to screen and vet candidates, because we will. But basically we are giving individuals the last chance to just kind of, as a group, to get in front of our principals. But our schools and our principals will still continue to be available for individuals who still looking for opportunities and jobs, because if we still have vacancies, then guess what? We're still hiring. If you are in need to be hired, DeKalb County School District is definitely the place to come. And here is a prime example. Today, we are ecstatic about the number of people that have came out. We are excited because, of course, we were not expecting as many that have shown up, but we are definitely excited about our turnout.
And first of all, I want to start with, this is the best job fair we've seen in the last couple of years. The pandemic has affected the educational field globally, and we've seen that effect also in DeKalb County. Today, however, there was a line of people outside running from the building towards the parking lot, cars everywhere where we couldn't even find a place to park. We're finding now that people are ready to come to DeKalb and get these jobs that we have available. We've been very successful today. We've hired a couple of people already today with hours to go in a job search. I think people should see that the DeKalb County School District is not only a billion-dollar industry, but it's the place that you want to work. You can take yourself from a para position all the way up to the principalship, even to the district level. I was a student in DeKalb, I was a para in DeKalb, and now I'm a principal in DeKalb. This is the place you want to work. I want you to have the opportunity to come to the DeKalb County School District, and particularly Panola Way Elementary School, and be a Panther. Go Panthers.
My name is Dr. Milton Hall. I serve as the proud principal of Elizabeth Andrews High School. We are a non-traditional high school located in the DeKalb County School District. Our student population consists of students who are looking to graduate early and those who have made some poor choices in academic matriculation. They can actually come to our school to get caught up and graduate with their assigned cohort. So today we're here recruiting qualified candidates to fill positions within our within our faculty population. And so our new hire today happens to be a paraprofessional who comes to us from Fulton County with a wealth of experience. She has a strong background in English language arts and social studies, and her name is Rakita Curry, and we're just excited about having her join us for the 23-24 academic school year.
Well, I am a product of DeKalb County Schools. I went to Towers High School, but I am so excited to go to Elizabeth Andrews High School. I also, a long time ago, it used to be Open Campus High School, and I went there too to graduate early. So it's almost like going back in time and helping students graduate at the same time. So I am so excited about being here. Both my daughters work for the DeKalb County School District, and I am just so excited to be in DeKalb County.
It is tremendous, tremendous. We were expecting maybe 100, 150, and we have doubled that number. So great job by our Human Resources Department for advertising and putting this all together. I'm a DeKalb graduate. I grew up here. I've lived here all my life. DeKalb produces some great students. As you look around the county, many of our officials graduate from DeKalb County. So it's a great place to go to school, and it's a great place to work. We love DeKalb.
If you did not make it out to our job fair today, you will have the opportunity to meet with our principals. They will be continuing to advertise, probably even on their individual website, but of course, go to our district website, go to our Frontline website, and our principals will continue to be vetting and screening, as well as our hiring managers. So reach out to our hiring managers if you need some assistance, and we'll be more than happy to assist you.